Hello from Contentrain development team. Today I'll guide you through creating your first content for your project. In the last video we learned how to create a content model, and now we'll add content to this model. Click Content on the menu. Here you'll see your models listed. Before adding content to a specific model, you can click on the model name and switch to that model first. Let's switch to JSON model. And to add our content to this model, click Add First Content. The fields you've created for your model will be displayed here. Add your content in the fields. And after adding our content, from the buttons above, you can choose to save your content as a draft to use later. To publish it now, or if your plan allows, you can schedule it to be published on a later date. You can also view the details of your model here on the right. For additional insights, feel free to view more walkthrough videos.